First, I want to make sure she gets to see me at my finest when she opens the door and says, "Hey, come on in. Sorry my place is still a mess. Think you can help me out?" Then we're moving stuff over here and over there like coordination. I noticed she got all these electronic devices that aren't even set up yet. I had to focus, thinking, I got this. And just as I was planning it all out, bam! She skipped the steps. Right up against me, she reaches her arm over and just turns on the air purifier. I thought I'd have to scan it, connect Wi-Fi, enter password, tell it which room it's in, all that mess. But she just skipped it. And you know what else? Lisa goes over to the kitchen, and that new cooker she just bought connects with SmartThings just like that. It's called 3D Map View. TV, fridge, soundbar, monitor, SmartThings station, I'm seeing everything. And they're all the SmartThings hub. And get this, from that sofa, with her phone, she turns on AI energy mode. And through SmartThings energy service, she's checking her energy use. Doesn't that just blow your mind?